Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical Talks ka Pitara. Today we are going to talk about the n-tier architecture in MicroStrategy. And n stands for greater than or equal to 2. So at least we will have n equal to 2, that means two-tier architecture, which is also called as direct connection. So in direct connection or the two-tier architecture, the first tier is always going to be metadata and data warehouse. So data warehouse is your regular database where you store all your tables and all the records are physically available in your data warehouse. Metadata is basically another database which is going to hold the definition of the objects which has been created in MicroStrategy. So say for example in my warehouse I have an employee table where emp underscore name column is there. So if I create that attribute in MicroStrategy, say for example employee is my attribute that holds the employee name. So definition of that employee attribute is going to be stored into metadata. So metadata will tell you that, okay, this employee is the attribute that is basically linked with emp name column from the employee table. So that's how both the tables are related to each other, and this is your tier 1. But MicroStrategy will have at least tier 2, which is a direct connection. So MicroStrategy is going to be your second tier. So MicroStrategy is going to connect your data warehouse and metadata using ODBC, which is called as Open Database Connectivity. It's a Microsoft product. Hope you know that. So I hope this makes sense and you understood what is two-tier architecture, where MicroStrategy is directly connecting to your metadata and data warehouse. Now let's talk about the three-tier architecture, which is also called as server connection. So two-tier is called as direct connection and three-tier architecture is called as server connection. So in three-tier architecture, you will see that MicroStrategy intelligence server, which is nothing but the heart of MicroStrategy, which basically does most of the work in MicroStrategy to fetch the data from your reports or documents. So this is going to be your three-tier architecture, where first tier is always going to be metadata and data warehouse. Second tier is going to be your intelligence server. And the third tier is going to be your MicroStrategy developer. So instead of MicroStrategy connecting to warehouse and metadata using ODBC, instead of that, MicroStrategy is going to connect to the intelligence server using TCP/IP. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. I hope you know that what are the protocols, how do we connect to the servers. So MicroStrategy has connected to the intelligence server, and now this intelligence server in turn is going to connect to your metadata and data warehouse using the ODBC connection. Hope the three-tier architecture is clear with you. Now we are going to talk about the four-tier architecture or the n-tier or the multi-tier architecture in MicroStrategy, where you have all this setup of tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3, but there will be additional tier. In this case, if you see the example, the fourth tier is going to be your web. So in this case, the web server can be Apache Tomcat, it can be Microsoft IIS or any of the web server. And this web server is can be accessed using different browsers, and the browsers are going to use your protocol, which is called as HTTP or HTTPS. So HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and S stands for the secure connection. So in fourth tier, though the diagram shows only my web part, but it can be connected to your library, it can be connected to your workstation. So hope I have made you understand the 2, 3 and 4 tier architecture of MicroStrategy. If you have any doubts, do let me know. I thank you all for joining my channel. Have a good day. If you like my videos, please do like here and do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.